Let's look at how to layer multiple audio tracks into a single video using CapCut PC. Go ahead and select your main video on the timeline. If you want to get rid of the original background noise first, right-click on that video clip and select Extract Audio. This separates the sound file completely. You can then click on the detached audio layer, right-click it, and hit delete to clear the slate. Now we can start building your new audio mix. Head over to the Audio tab in the top left corner, grab your first file, and drag and drop it onto the timeline right under your video. To add a second sound, like background, music, or a voiceover, just grab that next file and drop it directly beneath the first audio track. You can stack as many layers as you need right on top of each other. To align the timing perfectly, click and slide the tracks left or right. If a track is too long, move your playhead to the exact spot where you want it to stop. Click the split tool or use the delete right feature to trim away the excess. The important thing is making sure the tracks don't drown each other out. Click on any audio layer and look at the panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you can adjust the volume slider to balance things out. You can also use the fade in and fade out sliders here to make the sound transition smoothly instead of cutting off abruptly. Once your mix sounds exactly the way you want, there is one final step to keep your timeline clean. Select all the audio and video elements together. Right-click on the selection and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges everything into one single track that is easy to manage. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.